Hi, good morning. I'm just settling here with my matcha for my favorite routine of the day, which is my facial massage routine. If you think that your face gets very puffy in the mornings, or you face water retention, or just want your skin to naturally glow, then you have to try these routines. I'm going to use a gua sha and a jade roller to demonstrate some lymphatic drainage techniques. You can use both or either. I prefer the jade roller in case I want a quick depuff in the mornings. But if you want a much deeper muscle release, then you must try the gua sha. Let's start with the jade roller first. You can use any oil on your face. Just ensure that it's non-comedogenic so it doesn't clog your pores. I also sometimes chill my jade roller. You can just put it in the refrigerator for a few hours before you use it because I've noticed that the cool touch of the stone really helps soothe any inflammation on the skin. First thing I do is I stimulate my lymph nodes. You can tap at all of these places 5 times on your collarbones, right on your temples, above your ears, the sides of your nose, and inside of your eyes. Take your jade roller and roll it downwards on your neck. Ensure that you're moving it in one direction and not doing back and forth. Roll it downwards on one side, do it 5 times, and then repeat on the other side. Now to our jawline, move upwards on both sides 5 times. Moving on to the cheeks, this helps a lot with any puffiness right there on the apples of your cheeks, or if you've had a long night out and barely had any time to catch up with your sleep. Moving on to the under eyes, keep your hands very gentle for this one. Across your eyes with the most gentle and light hands. Continuing with our brow bone. On to our last section, the forehead. Now moving on to the gua sha. The gua sha technique of a facial massage leans more towards sculpting. It's great if you want a deeper massage and muscle relaxing, but also really great for sculpting. So if you're looking for a natural contour, then this is a tool that you have to try. Now we use the flat side, hold your lips for support and pull up towards your ears 10 times and repeat on the other side. Now from the side of your eyes up until your temple, be very gentle. If you have puffy under eyes, this instantly depuffs and just feels amazing. Now take the long side and move it across your brows. This one feels so amazing. It releases tension and gives my brain the signal that it's calming down. And lastly, hold between your brows, use the flat side and go upwards on your forehead. And that's it. It's super easy, it takes very little time, but if you're consistent, it will pay off. I really hope that this video helps you get started on your facial massages and gets you to spend that little me time by yourself. If you have any other questions, please drop them below and we'll get back to you. For more wellness and beauty tips, subscribe to Be Beautiful and hit the bell icon below.